Ready to transform your art into a stunning online showcase that attracts collectors and fans alike? We're diving into a step-by-step guide to crafting the perfect website for artists. Even if you're a complete beginner first, you'll need to choose a website builder like Squarespace, Wix, or WordPress. These platforms offer artist-friendly templates and drag-and-drop functionality. Next, focus on your portfolio. This is your digital gallery. Select your best pieces and present them with high-quality images and concise descriptions highlighting the medium, size, and story behind each piece. Want to sell your art directly? Integrate e-commerce functionality. Most platforms offer built-in solutions or plugins for accepting payments, managing inventory, and handling shipping. Consider offering prints, originals, or even merchandise. Boost engagement by adding a blog. Share your creative process, inspirations, upcoming exhibitions, or even art tips. This helps build a connection with your audience and establish you as an authority in your field. Finally, don't forget SEO. Use relevant keywords in your website titles, descriptions, and blog posts to improve your search engine ranking. This will help potential buyers and fans find your website more easily. Remember to also optimize image sizes to improve page loading speed.